We just looked at the R Studio. Now, let's launch Jupyter Notebooks. The Jupyter Notebook is an open source application that allows us to create and share documents. Those contain live code equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Jupyter is a web based interactive computational environment for creating programs. Jupyter is a language agnostic, and its name is a reference to code programming languages supported by Julia, Python, and R. Inside the notebook, when we open it, we notice that it contains a cell. Cells are a way how notebooks are structured. These are the areas where we write code. To run a piece of code, click on the cell to select it, and then press Shift plus Enter. Or press the play button in the toolbar above.